Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on Thursday, February the 1st, 2024. We have here three irregular puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 stars, the 4 stars Sudoku, and the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles, 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku. We have here the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all, only 4 of them I will do in the evening. But first, these 3 regular puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, I've heard shocking news. Formula 1 news. Hamilton will leave Mercedes and will join Ferrari. Yes, Ferrari. That's the big news for today. Alright, let me start with this one. This one will be number, let me see, number 7913. Okay, let me put this here. And before I start, I always counted printed digits. Well, this one has 28 printed digits. Well, that's a lot. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has always 25 printed digits. This one has 3 more. Should be a 0 stars. 0 stars or 1 star. You need to be faster than 40, maybe 30 minutes to solve. If it's really a 3 stars, then I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. How about the number 4 in this row, 4 in a row below. So last row, only place level 4, it should be there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column. No 8 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left with 8 in this big square. Should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, 3rd row. No 4 in these 2 boxes. Here 4 in the 2nd column. No 4 in that box, so 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. Right, and now. No. How about a 5 in this row? 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the 1st column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 8, okay. Then in the 9 here, in the 3 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in the 1st column, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in this row, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 in this big square could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the 3rd column, 3 in the 1st column. So the column between 2nd column, the only 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 in these 2 boxes. Here, 3 in the middle column, no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 in this big square should be there. And I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 here. 3 in the last column, 3 in that column, so the column between the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 in the second row, no 3 there. Only place left for the 3 should be there. And the 3s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 3. Oh wait. Then. Need a 5 here. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing number in this column is the number 5. Well, these 2 boxes can be 5. We have a 5 in this big square, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. That box can be a 5 because we have a 5 in the first row, so no 5 there. So the 5 in this column could be here, could be there. Here or there, we see another 5 in the middle row, so no 5 there. Only place left for the 5 should be there. 5. Now I cannot continue with the 5. How about these 4 missing numbers in this column? 2 of those missing numbers in this column are the numbers 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. We have a 1 and a 6 in this big square, so no 1 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 in the first row, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes at there. Right. 1, 1, 6, 6. Then. How about the number? Need a 4 here. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4, it should be there. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, only place left for the 4, it should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below the only place left for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. Alright, next. How about the number? Still I cannot continue with the 5. 6. Oh, we have a need a 6 here, and I need a 2 here. Oh. Come on. 6, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8, 1, 6, 8. Look, we have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. So the 1 and 8 are left. We have 8 in the first column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 8 in this column, first column, 8 in the second column, so the third column. Only place left for the 8 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1 and 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing, the 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, 9. We have a 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 7. So 1 box left in this second column for number 1. 1, okay. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above the only place left for the 1 should be there. 1 box left in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. Then 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. We have a 2 in the last column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Then need an 8 here. Alright. 8 there. 1 and then 9. 2 missing numbers in the last column for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 is missing, 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in the second row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 in the first row, 1 in the second row, so third row. Only 2 place level 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. The 1 in this column, the 1 in the middle column, so the column next. Only 3 place level 1 should be here, here, or there. We have 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 in the row below, no 1 there. So the only place level 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 1. Alright. How about the 9 in this row? Oh, wait. 3 missing numbers in the middle column. Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 8 and 9 is missing. 2, 7, 9. 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9, 2, 7, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in this row. So no 2 and 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 9, 2 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for number 7. 7 in the third row. 7 in the second row from the first row. Only place level the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5. He's missing 6, 7, 8. He's missing 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 in the third row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. The 5 in the first row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row. The only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and the 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the first row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And 8 goes there. 8 in this column. 8 in the middle column. So the column next now. Only 2 places left. 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be there. Then let me see. Need a 9 here. Need a 9 there. Well, 27. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, and the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in the last row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So the row between, only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7, 9, 7, and 9. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this row. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 0 stars. Wrong indication. A publisher. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. And you can also download this PDF file so I can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.